I just really didn't know what I wanted to do with my future, and when I took these classes, it really interested me and something that I'd want to keep doing.
I believe high school is the time to just try things, and I think a business course will be very valuable to you.
High school is all about preparing for your future. No matter what path you're taking, the skills you gain in business classes will apply.
All jobs are businesses, so it's nice to know the different aspects, the different parts of it.
It gives you types of skills that you may not know that you need, that gives you clarity on what you want later in life.
Whether it's how to be productive on a computer, knowing a little bit of financial information, knowing how to work with other people, and how to be a leader to other people.
Our high schools offer hands-on learning and real-world business opportunities to help you discover what's right for you and turn big ideas into reality.
There's a lot of things that I could take from these courses and apply it to what I want to do in college and hopefully for my career.
No matter what they're gonna do someday or be someday, they're all relatable skills and relatable subjects.
You could take courses ranging from basic computer skills to social media marketing, personal finance, and many more. Business teachers can help you figure out the best classes for you based on what you're interested in.
When I think of marketing, it's more of like an artistic part of the business. Like if I did like advertisements or like posters, I feel like that's something that really interests me because I'm also kind of like an artistic person, I'd have to say.
There's something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Business classes are waiting for you. Register now or talk to your counselor to see what's available.